Howdy, my name is Jessie. It's time to saddle up. Keep an eye on the herd, y'all. Let's round up those strays before sunset. Nothing beats the feeling of the wind in my hair while riding. I love training my horse for the rodeo. These cows won't herd themselves, now will they? Let's take a ride along the fence line. A well-trained horse makes all the difference out here. Gotta check on the calves, they're quite a handful. Every day on the ranch is a new adventure. Riding at sunrise is the best way to start the day, don't you think? Yeehaw, let's get this roundup started. My horse and I are a team like no other. Cattle rustling is a thing of the past, we guard our own. It's all about trust between a cowgirl and her horse, for sure. The barn is where all the magic happens on the ranch. Cows need love, too, especially during branding season, you know. I can't imagine life without my trusty steed, Daisy. Herding cows is hard work, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. Let's keep those cows moving to fresh pastures. Every hoof print tells a story out here on the range. I've learned to read my horse just like I read the land. You can't rush a good ride, it takes patience. I always keep a rope handy, you never know when you'll need it. Sunsets are the best time to relax after a long day. A good cowgirl knows her territory like the back of her hand. It's important to bond with your horse, they can sense your energy. Horses are more than just livestock, they're family. A day without riding is a day wasted. Out here, every day is a test of skill and courage. A cowgirl's heart belongs to the open range. I can't wait to show you how to rope a calf. The barn is my sanctuary, it's where I feel at home. I always keep my boots clean, you never know when you'll need to impress. Every ride teaches me something new about my horse. Life on the ranch isn't easy, but it's always worth it. You've got to respect the land, it provides for us. Every sunset out here is a masterpiece. Horses teach us patience, you can't rush a good ride. Being a cowgirl is about grit and grace. Let's gather the herd and get moving before dark. There's nothing quite like the sound of hooves on the ground. I love the challenge of herding, it keeps me sharp. A cowgirl's spirit is as wild as the open prairie. I'm always ready for a good rodeo. You've got to trust your instincts when working with animals. Daisy knows the way home even when I don't. The best memories are made on horseback. When in doubt, just ride it out. A good lasso is a cowgirl's best friend. Ranch life may be tough, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. Let's enjoy the ride together. Every sunrise brings a new opportunity. There's always work to be done, but it's worth it. I've got a passion for the open skies. I'll show you how to care for the cattle. Together, we can conquer anything on the ranch. Let's make some unforgettable memories out here. Being outdoors is where I thrive. You never know what surprises the day will bring. I'm here to make sure every cow is safe and sound. Let's ride into the sunset together. When I'm on my horse, I feel free. I love the rhythm of hooves on the ground. A cowgirl's bond with her horse is unbreakable. I'll show you the ropes, literally. The ranch is my playground, and I love every minute. With my horse by my side, I can face anything. I've got cowgirl grit. Nothing beats a campfire under the stars after a long day. I'm always ready for a good old cattle drive. The trail is calling, and I must ride. Every cow has a personality, and I know them all. Life on the ranch teaches you resilience. There's a special joy in watching the sun rise over the fields. I believe in the power of teamwork. Every saddle has a story, and I've got plenty to share. Let's keep our eyes peeled for any wanderers. The thrill of the rodeo is like no other. I can't get enough. With a little patience, every horse can be a champion. I cherish the beauty of nature around me. Life is better with a little bit of dirt on your boots. I'm always learning something new from my animals. Every day brings a chance to grow. The open range is where I truly belong. You can't put a price on the freedom of the ride. I love sharing my cowgirl adventures with friends. The open range is my favorite place to be. I've got a lasso and I'm not afraid to use it. Every day is a good day when you're out riding. The smell of fresh hay always puts a smile on my face. You've got to know your horse like you know yourself. I love the challenge of a tough ride. It keeps me sharp. I never back down from a challenge. The sun on my face and the reins in my hands, there's nothing like it. I've spent more time in the saddle than anywhere else. You can count on me to lead the herd home safe. I live for the thrill of the rodeo. There's no such thing as too much time with the herd. I've got my eyes on the horizon and my heart on the ranch. I'm always ready for the next adventure. A good ride clears the mind and strengthens the soul. I've learned that patience is key, both with horses and cattle. I know every corner of this ranch like the back of my hand. The bond between a cowgirl and her horse is something special. I've got the heart of a cowgirl and the soul of a rancher. Nothing beats a ride through the wide open fields. Every sunrise is another chance to ride. Out here, you've got to stay sharp and ready. I know how to steer a stubborn horse. The sound of hooves on dirt is music to my ears. Nothing makes me happier than a long trail ride. A good cowgirl knows when to lead and when to follow. You've got to be tough to handle the ranch life. I trust my horse more than most people. A day spent with my horse is a day well spent. I've been riding since I could walk, and I'll never stop. The range is where I feel most at home. I take pride in taking care of my herd. The ranch life isn't for everyone, but it's perfect for me. There's a special bond between a cowgirl and her cattle. I love the peace and quiet of the countryside. Riding gives me a sense of freedom you can't find anywhere else. The harder the ride, the sweeter the reward. I've got ranch work in my blood. You've got to be strong to handle these cattle. My horse and I have been through thick and thin. I know how to ride like the wind. Every cow in my herd has its own personality. Out here, the land speaks to you if you listen. I never leave the barn without my hat and boots. A true cowgirl knows how to read the skies and the land. The ranch keeps me grounded, no matter what. The smell of fresh earth always brings me comfort. Riding with the herd is the best way to spend my time. I live for the rush of the rodeo. The ranch life teaches you patience, persistence, and love. I know the rhythm of the ranch like the back of my hand. The land and the animals depend on me, and I'm proud of that. I wouldn't trade this life for anything. It's just me, my horse, and the great outdoors. Every ride brings new challenges, and I'm always up for them. I can rope a calf faster than most. The horizon is always calling, and I'm ready to ride. Every cow needs tending, and I know just how to do it. I was born for this ranch life. There's nothing like watching the herd move across the open plains. My horse knows me better than anyone. I've never been afraid of hard work. Out here, the cattle come first, always. The ranch life is where I find my peace. I've got the heart of a cowgirl and the grit to prove it. Every day out here is an adventure, and I'm ready for it.
Bye. Bye.
And see you again in our next video.